In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your private Telegram channel public. So I have here a channel, AI channel. If I tap on it and then tap on it again here, you can see the channel is private, meaning only few people that I share the link with or I invite to this channel can be members. However, I'd like to make it public so that one can search it on Telegram and then find it and join. So to make it public, just tap on this pencil icon here. And this will open all your settings on your channel. And then under channel type, you can see it is set to private. So to make it public, just tap on it. And here you can see your private link is available. However, we want it to be public, so I just go ahead and tap on public. And then here we have to set our public link that we want people to search this channel with. Right, so I'll set it to All Matters AI and then go set it. And here we go. Our channel has been set to public. And as you can see here, the channel type now is public. So I'll go ahead and complete by typing on this. And now see the channel is public and the status is here. So in case anyone goes ahead and searches for this channel, they'll find it. So that's how you change your channel from private to public. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.